Hello and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you're well. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make lacto-fermented celery. This is a very simple recipe and one of my favorites. So if you want to learn how to make lacto-fermented celery, please keep watching. For this recipe, I'll be using celery sticks, a glass weight to keep the celery fully submerged in the brine, fresh basil for extra flavor, which is optional, 1 tablespoon of fine sea salt, 3 cloves of garlic, fresh thyme also for extra flavor but optional, a glass jar, and water, which was omitted in this video. Next, I'll make the brine. I have 2 cups of water here. I'll add the sea salt to the water, stir and set it aside to dissolve. Next, I'll prepare the celery sticks. I'll bunch them up and cut them into bite size. I'll ensure they're similar in size so they're evenly fermented. Celery is a nice vegetable to ferment because of the naturally slightly salty taste and the fragrance. So whenever celery is fermented, the fragrance and slight saltiness goes well with the unique and iconic sour or tangy taste of lacto-fermentation. Now that I'm done cutting up the celery, I'll start putting the vegetables together. I'll throw in a few cloves of garlic, fresh thyme, fresh basil, then add some celery chunks. I'll keep going until the jar is packed to my satisfaction. Remember to always wash your hands and use clean utensils when making lacto-fermented vegetables so as to avoid introducing bad bacteria into the jar, which could lead to an unfavorable outcome. I'll push down the celery chunks to keep the jar compact and add some more fresh basil and fresh thyme. Next, I'll add the salt water mixture, also known as the brine, which we made earlier. Next, I'll put in the glass weight. I think I might have overfilled the jar. I'll put the lid on to seal the jar and leave to ferment for 2 weeks. I'll keep it on the kitchen counter and put a tray underneath to catch any excess liquid that might bubble over during the fermentation process. Just look how beautiful it is. It's 2 weeks later and here's my lacto-fermented celery all ready for consumption. As you can see, the bright green celery from day one has now changed to a dull green. I'll open up the jar and take out the glass weight. I'll take out a few of the lacto-fermented celery. And here's what they look like. It smells fantastic. Lacto-fermented celery are a great snack and can be added to salads or sandwiches. After opening, it can be stored in the refrigerator for more than 3 months. So I guess we've come to the end of this video on how to make lacto-fermented celery. If you've enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, please give it a like, please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to click the notification bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you've got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye.